Good day, viewers. My name is Dozier. I'm welcoming you to yet another captivating YouTube video that I'll be teaching you how to produce hot balm. I mean very hot balm. You know that these days the price of chemicals, menthol and things like peppermint have gone so high, and most of the producers can no longer be profitable producing hot balm. But I'm going to be introducing you to a new chemical that you can add into your product that will give you very hot balm. I don't know if you know products like Loko, Aboniki. They are very hot. So these are the things I'm going to be showing you today. Let's dive in. We are going to be using petroleum jelly, menthol, paraffin oil, metisa, color green, and this chemical that I will not tell you now, but when you make comment, ask me on the comment section, I will tell you. And you will make sure you subscribe to my channel before I will tell you this secret chemical that once you put it in your formulation, you will get a very hot balm. So firstly, we are going to be melting the petroleum jelly. As you can see, it will take nothing less than 3 minutes to 5 minutes based on the quantity. So here we have the melted petroleum jelly that we have brought it down from the hot plate. Now we have introduced the green color into the petroleum jelly. We allow it to cool so that most of these ingredients will not evaporate based on high heat. We will let the petroleum jelly to cool off a bit, maybe like 10 minutes before we start adding. We've added our metisa, as you can see. Now we are adding our menthol crystals. Like I said earlier, when you add your menthol crystal and pepper and metisa, you will turn it very well, turn the solution very well. You stir very well, because the menthol crystals are in solid form. We want it to do what? We want it to melt. Absolutely. So we are adding paraffin oil now. So like your regular adding of peppermint and eucalyptus, all these things are very costly, and you cannot succeed profitably when you add them to your product these days. So what do? There is this chemical that I'll be adding. It will give me very hot product. These are the chemicals they use in doing deep heat for athletes. You know, when they have muscle pull. You understand that type of hot balm that they used to apply, like Loko, like Aboniki, all those very hot, extra hot balm. This is the secret. So I'm revealing it to you today. But I will not just tell you for free. You will have to subscribe, like, and make comment on my comment section. Then I will inbox you. Okay? That is the order we are going to follow. Because a lot of people just watch my video and they will not subscribe. You need to help me so that I can be rolling out more content. This is the chemical that you will add that will make it to be very hot. You understand? Is good for relieving people from back pain, joint pain, body pain. You understand? Rheumatism, arthritis. These are what you use. Muscle pull. Use it for them. Yes, I've added the chemical. And I'm stirring very, very well to allow it to be evenly distributed. Here we go. Boom, we are done. I want to add a little bit. You know, this type of hot balm is good for the old people. With the young ones, at times it looks as if it is too hot for us. But I bet you the old people love it because their body system has degenerated. So they need more sensitive products that will touch the inner muscles. Now we are done, and we are pouring it into the jar, the container that we are going to be using to sell it out. There we go. It's a very simple formulation. A very simple formulation, but you will not achieve that hotness if you don't use this chemical. So ask me in the comment section and I will reveal it to you, okay? But make sure you subscribe before you ask me. We allow it to cool for like 30 minutes and you will see what we will have. Yeah, the next 30 minutes we have a solid balm ready for sale. Do your labeling and boom, into the market. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video content like this. Thank you very much.